these great magicians and illusionists, and he has decided that he would be a magical illusion bird. In other words, he wants to do the big tricks, but on a miniature scale. So ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, Merlynn the Magic Cockatiel is to perform his grand illusion on a miniature scale. I think I got the point. Got the point? Yeah. It's a joke. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Merlynn the Magic Cockatiel.